So look at all those packages. It's a lot. I actually just came back home from college, you know what I'm saying? I got done with my finals and everything, and I was on a spending spree when I was over there, you know what I'm saying? I knew I was gonna come home soon, and I got the stimulus check at that time. I said, look, oh, it's all going towards clothes. Oh, baby, I'm going crazy. Are you stupid? So basically, these are all the clothes, shoes, whatever I bought that, you know, at that time that I was going crazy, at the time that I got the stimulus check, at the time I was getting all that money. So basically, it's like a little haul. It's a little haul. It's me getting right for the summer. These are clothes that were absolutely crazy that I'm ready to just rip right into. You know what I'm saying? So let's do no more talking. Let's get into this unboxing and haul. So my name is Shani. On social media, I go by Shani the Tsunami. But on this channel, we're going to keep it Tsunami because, baby, it's not only just the drip, it's the tsunami. All right, so we're gonna start off with this box. It's super duper light. I don't even remember what this is. Oh, okay. Okay. Now this is a, okay. Now this is a thing. Okay, this says gourmet lungs on it. I don't know if you could tell. Now this part, baby, I don't do all this. But however, this hat was popping. This hat was nice. I like this hat a lot. It's cow print, gourmet lungs. Now I know, like, this is for drug heads. This is for, I don't know, hopefully you're talking about weed. Hopefully that's the only thing you're talking about. Because once we get into the other drugs, relax. I just like this hat a lot. It was just cool looking. I like the structure of it. I like the pattern. I like the red contrast. This is cool. All right, I already know what this is. This is another hat. We're gonna get the hats out the way. It says Midnight Rodeo on here. We got some stickers. Yeah, okay. Now this is a solid, just clean, simple, plain black hat. It says Midnight Rodeo on it. It's dope. I don't know. I just liked, again, the structure of it. I want to have more just regular black hats because a lot of my hats are crazy looking. But this one is just simple and I could just wear this with everything. And I love this one. Let's get into some packages. Let's get into what is this? Oh, this is from MNML. I bought a lot of stuff from MNML. These are like brown little snap pants. You know what I'm saying? They have some snaps at the bottom. You know what I mean? Just styling it a little different. In MNML, I need to start getting more stuff from there because, listen, they have some good, solid prices for some stylish looking pants and bottoms. I'm gonna, I bought some more stuff. It's gonna be somewhere in this video, but yeah, they have some nice stuff, man. All right, let's do one of these shoes because I know when it's a shoe. I know when it's a shoe. Both of them are from GOAT. Let's see what this one is. All right, this is a Yeezy. Now this is a recent release Yeezy. You see the box. My first 700. Now look, a lot of people might not mess with this, but let me tell you a little something. These things slap. I'm gonna make them slap, y'all. These are the bright blue 700s. These just released like a couple weeks ago. Look at the orange bottoms, get into the blue top. My first 700 Yeezy. What else do I gotta say? Let's go ahead and get to the other shoe. We don't gotta waste any more time. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it, but get into the logo. Can you see it? Yeah, let me get it back here. Get into the logo. Rest in peace to Kobe Bryant. I got some Kobe's, all right? Now, ooh. I'm most definitely gonna be playing basketball in these. I'm happy I got a pair. I really just wanna rip through the rest of these. This is from ASOS. Okay, this is a crazy color. I don't know what I'm gonna match it with. This is like a pink crop vest from ASOS. It's a crazy color. It's a color that I just wanted to experiment with. But we're gonna see how this is gonna work. But let's just fly through these, all right? I have 2 more ASOS packages. This is a beret. I wanted to try out a beret. I always wanted a beret so bad, and I got it. So we're gonna see how I'm gonna make this work. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work, but we're gonna make it work. All right, last ASOS package. Oh, it's just a little white sweater. It's getting a little hot for this, is it? Is it not? I'm gonna try to make an outfit out of this before it, it gets way, way too hot. But this is, why it smell like that? It smells like vinegar. Come on, ASOS. What are you getting into? No, don't do that. All right, what is this? Oh, Okay, this is a small brand that I bought from. They were liking my pictures on Instagram and I found them. I'm like, all right, I'll just give it a try. Now, what are you smelling like? It smells like cinnamon or like strong cinnamon. That's a strong smell, Bellwood. Bellwood Market. By the way, they're called Bellwood Market. Okay, what? Okay, the package smells strong, but this doesn't smell strong. This is like a dope sweater. I really like this. It's like a what do they call this? Like is it knit? What is this? But it's dope. It's dope. All of these I'm gonna be putting on and showing you, but I like it. It has Ascension on it. Bellwood Market. Cool. All right, come on. Let's rip through these. Some more minimal stuff. All right, 2 more pair of pants. I'm really not gonna get into them. I just got them from Minimal. There you go. Another Minimal. Oh wow, a camo pair of pants. I haven't worn camo in a long time, but these are a camo pair of pants that I'm gonna make look good, you know what I'm saying? We don't have to get into that either. All right, lastly, this is probably gonna be my favorite thing. This is from a small brand. Now their pieces are ridiculous looking. They're so dope. You look at the packaging. This is like a sweatshirt, hoodie, you know, type jacket type thing with a hole in the middle. Now let me tell you a little something. I'm gonna make it look good. But I thought this was just the most unique thing, like crazy thing. Their pieces look so great, and I'm ready for them to just release more stuff. There's like, it's like an unknown brand, but if you know, you know. Like, it's not that unknown, but you know, a lot of people don't know about it. Let me just shut up. I don't even know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, that was kind of a long video. That was me unboxing everything that I ordered. I have one more package, but it's a mystery box. Mystery box. They put it in the package. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good, because I spent a little bit of money on it, but we're gonna see right now. Thank you guys for watching, but I don't have much else to say. Get out of here.